In this recording, we will be looking at converting between fractions, decimals and percentages. So in the specification, this part here, and anything that talks about converting between fractions, decimals and percentages. How do we convert a decimal into a percentage? We multiply by 100. I'll just put it in brackets here. So 0.78, what is that as a percentage? Well, if we times it by 100, which you can use your calculator for, 78%. 0.05 multiplied by 100, 5%. How do we convert a percentage to a decimal? Well, we do the reverse. We divide it by 100. And again, IGCSE Edexcel, all the papers, calculator papers. So if you do want to use a calculator, no problem at all. So 52%, divide it by 100, 0.52 as a decimal. 6%, divide it by 100, 0.06. Okay, have a go at these questions. Put me on pause, unpause when you have finished to see if they are correct. Convert to a percentage. So we're multiplying all of these by 100. First answer is 70%. 87%. 9%. 65%. For these questions on the right hand side, we're simply dividing by 100. 0.76. 0.07, careful with that one. 0.6. If you had put a 0 here, that would also be correct. It means exactly the same thing. And 0.083. Fraction to a decimal. I would just simply use my calculator here. That line here in maths means to divide. So on your calculator, if you do 2 divided by 5, you might need to format it into a decimal. You'll see it's 0.4. So we have converted a fraction to a decimal. How about a fraction to a percentage? Well, let's get into a decimal first. 4 divided by 25 is 0.16. And we know to convert from a decimal to a percentage, we simply times it by 100, 16%. Again, have a go at all of these. Put me on pause, unpause when done. This one, 0.75. 7/8 is 0.875. 4/5, 4 divided by 5, 0.8. 18 divided by 20, 0.9. 3 divided by 7. You do get a very long decimal here. I am going to round it to 2 decimal places, 0.43. In here, 1/8, 0.125. As a decimal, multiply it by 100, 12.5%. 3 divided by 10, 0.3. Times it by 100, 30%. 1 divided by 20, 0.05. Multiply it by 100, 5%. 18 divided by 25, 0.72. Multiply it by 100, 72%. 6 divided by 7. Again, we get a long decimal here. I'm going to round it to 0.857. As a decimal, multiply it by 100, 85.7%. You may have rounded it up to 0.86 or 86%. Okay, percentage to a fraction. We'll ask you to simplify as well. Percentage, 32% means 32 out of 100. So I'm going to write it out of 100. And then I'm going to use my calculator to simplify. So use your fraction button. Oops, sorry. 32 is the numerator. 100 as the denominator. Press equals. It will simplify it for you. 8 over 25. 0.42. Let's convert it to a percentage first by multiplying it by 100, 42%. Then I'm going to convert it into a fraction. 42% means 42 out of 100. And then I'm going to use my calculator again to simplify, just as I showed you in the previous example, 21 over 50. Okay, last set of questions for the converting topic. Have a go at these, put me on pause and pause when you're done. Five over 100, which simplifies to 1 over 20. 62 over 100 simplifies to 31 over 50. 17 over 100. If you type this in your calculator, you get the same answer. Does not simplify. There is not a common factor of 17 and 100. 84 over 100 simplifies to 21 over 25. 28 over 100 simplifies to 7 over 25. Okay, so we're going to change this to a percentage first. 40%, 40 over 100, 2 over 5. Next one. 8%. Multiply 0.08 by 100, get 8%. 8 over 100, 2 over 25. Next one. 32%. 32 over 100. 8 over 25. 87%. 87 over 100. Let's just see if this simplifies. Nope, does not simplify. Next one, 45%. 45 over 100 simplifies to 9 over 20.